spend our lives surrounded by things we cannot see. In medical imaging, perfection is a game of millimeters and degrees. My name is Rishika Giri. Currently, I'm pursuing bachelor's in medical imaging technology from LPU. Today, I'm going back to pull the lead curtain to show how a small tilt of metal pour into human soul without losing our cool. In the world of medical imaging, we are consistently fighting a war between two opposing forces. The need for razor-sharp detail, the reliability of intense heat to capture the internal architecture of the human body. We push thousands of voltage through a small filament, but how do we keep the equipment from melting while maintaining the clarity of high definition of photograph? Today, we are focusing on the elegant geometry of X-ray tube divided into two, line focus principle and anode effect. It's a perfect match of engineering with physics. However, physics gives a really free lunch because we have angled the anode into to run a phenomena which is also known as anode Hill effect. X-rays are produced in the various depth within the anode material. Those travel towards the heel or back of the anode, more metal climb through. This means they get absorbed before even they leave the tube. The result, the intensity of the X-ray is not significant or not uniform. We know at the cathode side, the intensity is more high rather than the anode side. There is probably 45% differences in the intensity. As professionals, we use the intensity difference as our advantages. We place the thicker body parts just like abdomen and the thigh at the cathode side, and we place the thinner body parts just like fingers, hand on the anode side. So let's talk about the line focus principle. To understand the image sharpness, we have to talk about the focal spot. Ideally, we want a tiny focal spot to get a detailed picture of an image. But a tiny spot would build under a high current and a high exposure. So let's enter in the line focus principle. We have two line focus principles. Basically, first is the actual focal spot and second is the effective focal size. So basically, we angle the anode, this part, from 6 to 15 degrees. And there is a difference between actual focal spot and effective focal spot. This appears to be large and this appears to be small. And actual focal spot size helps in heat dissipation. And the small one, this helps in exposure and image sharpness. What we have seen, the science of radiations, the anode Hill effect and the line focus principle. The line focus principle shows and teaches the small fractures, while the anode Hill effect teaches how to balance the beam intensity. As image professionals, we just do not click the picture, we craft them by understanding the equipments inside the tube. Thank you for joining me into the deep dive of the heart of X-ray tube. X-ray beam may be invisible, but physics is always clear.